Hey there, viewers! Welcome back to Bestie! You may have noticed that after using certain brands of toothpaste, breath mint, and mouthwash, your breath feels icy. Well, they all have a common ingredient: peppermint. Its leaves can be brewed into tea, but is peppermint tea really good for you? Yes! In today's video, we'll be discussing the health benefits of peppermint tea, from improving your concentration to boosting your energy, from enhancing sleep to reducing seasonal allergy symptoms. We'll be talking about all of these and more. Number 1. Improves concentration. How many of you struggle to concentrate on one task? While you're at work, you may be stuck thinking about how many likes you got on your recent post, or what you should order for your next meal. If you also want to improve your ability to focus, try peppermint tea. It may help improve your concentration and focus. The effect of peppermint tea is not supported by studies, but peppermint oil is beneficial here. When consumed, peppermint oil may enhance concentration. In one study, it was found that people who took peppermint capsules performed better on cognitive tests. Another study suggested that inhaling peppermint oil improved memory and alertness. Peppermint tea might have similar effects. To make peppermint tea, boil 2 cups of water in a pan. Turn off the heat and add a handful of torn peppermint leaves into the water. Cover and steep for 5 minutes. Then strain and enjoy your tea. If you don't have peppermint leaves, tea bags will do. Do you often struggle to focus? Is it hard staying on task? What strategies do you use to get better? Sound off in the comments below and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Boosts energy. Peppermint tea may decrease daytime fatigue and improve your energy levels. This is all thanks to the natural compounds in peppermint. Studies have shown that taking peppermint oil capsules resulted in less fatigue during a cognitive test in young people. Just smelling peppermint oil can help boost your energy. A study suggested that peppermint oil aromatherapy can lower the prevalence of daytime sleepiness. Drinking peppermint tea in the afternoon will give you a much-needed energy boost. Number 3. Relieves digestion issues. Do you suffer from gas, bloating, and indigestion? These digestive problems not only hurt your stomach, but also your mood. Peppermint eases pain and relaxes your digestive system while also preventing spasms in your gut. Research suggests that peppermint can manage symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. When peppermint capsules were given to people with IBS, they had a 40% reduction in symptoms. In another study on children, peppermint lowered the length, frequency, and severity of abdominal pain. Additionally, peppermint oil capsules helped reduce severity of nausea and vomiting in people doing chemotherapy. Number 4. Alleviates menstrual cramps. Ladies, those sharp and stabbing cramps during periods hurt you a lot, right? Drinking peppermint tea may provide some comfort. Peppermint acts as a muscle relaxant and may help relieve menstrual cramps. A study was conducted on women with painful periods. These women were given peppermint extract capsules, which reduced the intensity of their pain. Also, these capsules were found to be as effective as anti-inflammatory drugs. Number 5. Ease migraines. People who experience migraines know how intense they are. They affect different aspects of your life, including productivity. Because peppermint acts as a muscle relaxant, it may reduce your headaches. This is all thanks to the menthol in peppermint. Yes, the same menthol is responsible for the cooling sensation we feel using toothpaste and mouthwash. Using peppermint oil can decrease headaches as menthol increases blood flow and also provides a cooling sensation. In a study, peppermint oil was applied on the forehead and temples of people who experienced reduction in migraine pain after 2 hours of application. Also, the aroma of peppermint tea will relax your muscles and ease your headache. Feel like you're missing out? Make sure you join our millions of viewers by hitting that subscribe button and staying up to date on all our great Bestie content. Number 6. Aids weight loss. If you're on a diet, you usually count calories before eating or drinking. Being calorie-free and sweet in flavor, peppermint tea is the perfect choice when you're trying to lose weight. The exact benefits of its weight loss effects are not well studied yet, but peppermint oil capsules can reduce appetite. Drinking peppermint tea may aid weight loss by lowering your appetite. Number 7. Enhances sleep. Drinking coffee at night is not a good choice. It's a stimulant that will interfere with your sleep. If you want to drink something before bed or have sleep-related issues, then peppermint tea is a great option. First of all, it's naturally caffeine-free. Secondly, as discussed earlier, peppermint is a muscle relaxant, so it will smooth you out before sleep. Before we continue, here's another video you should watch. Want more tips to sleep better? You might want to check out 10 life hacks to get a good night's sleep. Now back to our discussion on peppermint tea. Number 8. Reduces seasonal allergy symptoms. If If you're someone who suffers from seasonal allergies, add peppermint tea to your routine along with other preventative measures. Peppermint may relieve your allergies. It contains a compound called rosmarinic acid, which is also found in rosemary. This compound can reduce allergy symptoms like runny nose, itchy eyes, and asthma. In one study, people with seasonal allergies were given oral supplements containing rosmarinic acid. They experienced only minor symptoms like itchy eyes and runny nose. Some rat studies show that peppermint extract decreased allergic symptoms like sneezing and itchy nose. Number 9. Relieve clogged sinuses. You'll be surprised to know that peppermint has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, so this minty leaf may fight clogged sinuses caused by common cold and allergies. The menthol in peppermint improves the airflow in your nasal passages. Inhaling the steam from hot peppermint tea can make you feel like you're breathing easily. So the next time you suffer from the common cold and clogged sinus, remember to inhale steam from peppermint tea. Number 10. Fight bacterial infections. As said earlier, peppermint has antibacterial properties. The antibacterial effects of peppermint oil are greater than the tea. In a study, it was found that peppermint oil stops the growth of common foodborne bacteria like E. coli and salmonella in mango and pineapple juice. But hold on, there's more! Peppermint oil can kill off bacteria like the kind linked to pneumonia and others that cause illness in humans. Studies suggest that peppermint can also eliminate the bacteria found in your mouth and reduce bad breath. Actually, that reminds me. Number 11. Freshens your breath. Last but not least, peppermint removes bad breath. This is why toothpastes, chewing gum, and mouthwash contain peppermint. Apart from the pleasant smell and icy feeling that instantly wakes you up, peppermint reduces bacteria in your mouth. Peppermint kills bacteria that causes plaque and improves your breath. A study was conducted on people who had spine surgery. They were given a rinse made with peppermint, tea tree, and lemon oil. Once they used it, they had better breath than the people who didn't take the rinse. In another study, when young girls were given a peppermint mouth rinse, they experienced better breath themselves. So peppermint tea might also freshen your breath. Peppermint tea is sweet, caffeine-free, and safe to drink at any time of the day. Would you like to learn more about why you should have tea every day? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more videos, shall we? Check out what drinking tea every day will do to your body. Or how about 14 reasons you should drink black tea every day? Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about the benefits of drinking tea. Did you know about the benefits of peppermint tea before watching this video? Let us know in the comments below.